back again to my channel. My name is Natia. If you're new to this channel, you are welcome, and a big thanks to all my old subscribers. I really appreciate you guys for always sticking around and coming to my channel to watch my video. I really appreciate your love. May God bless you as you keep supporting this girl. Okay, so yes, I am back with a hair mask. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys how I prepare this hair mask, which is so easy to prepare. As you guys can see, all we just need is aloe vera gel, garlic, and onion. I have white onion here. You can also go ahead and use red onion if you want. If you want, I think it's almost the same thing that they do, red onion and white onion. So yes, I'm gonna be using a half of aloe vera gel for this hair mask. Yes, so aloe vera gel is great for hair, guys. You all know, if you have been following my hair journey for a long time, you can literally know that I do use a lot of aloe vera gel for my hair, garlic and onions for my hair, because they do help my hair to grow a lot. They strengthen my hair because I really have a very thin hair, so I really need that that DIY stuff that can really strengthen my hair. That's the reason why I'm using garlic and onion into my hair. They work really amazingly. Okay, so aloe vera gel is great for hair. Contains vitamin A, C, B12 and E. It also promotes healthy cell growth and shine hair and keep your hair from falling out. Yes, and garlic is also great for hair. Garlic has antimicrobial properties that help kill germs and bacteria, which are responsible for causing damage to the scalp, further inhibiting hair growth. Yes, and onion can also provide extra soften to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Yes, now what I do, and I put everything in the blender, and then I added a half cup of olive oil and half cup of white castor oil. So if you also want to change this oil that I use, you can also go ahead and use coconut oil if you prefer, and use Jamaica black castor oil, which is also fine. These oils are great, and if you also decided to add more oils into it, you can go ahead and add more oil into it. So this is basically how the mask is looking. And then all you have to do, you just have to protect yourself very well. You guys know garlic and onions stink. So yeah, I know a lot of you wouldn't like to put this garlic and onion into your hair, but trust me guys, they're if you can wash them out with apple cider vinegar with warm water, and the smell is going to go away slowly. It's not going to stay in your hair for a long time. It will go away. And also go with your favorite shampoo and your leave-in condition, and the smell is going to go. Yeah guys, we talk about smell, but you just have to think about the benefits and the amazing work it's going to work in your hair. It's going to strengthen your hair, and as well as treat your scalp. You can use this mask twice in a month for extreme hair growth. Trust me guys, your hair is going to grow like crazy. I have seen a lot of huge different and a lot of huge growth, healthy growth with my hair since I started using all these homemade DIY product for my hair. My hair have been growing really healthy and strong because I really have a very thin hair, so I really need all these product that is going to strengthen my hair and really bring out a lot of volume. So this is how my hair is growing guys. As you guys can see, my hair is growing, but I really have to cut the end, which is very important. Cutting the ends of your hair is also gonna help your hair to grow even more longer. So I did a video of that already, and the video will be coming up. Stay tuned for that, okay? And as well, I just want to use this opportunity to say a big thanks to all of you that have been supporting my channel, guys. We are finally 2,000 subscribers. Oh my god, like I just can't wait. Like I'm just so excited. When I was 1,999 and I was like, who is going to make my day? Like to be honest, I don't know who makes me to hit 2,000 subscribers, but thank you. May God bless you. I really appreciate. May God bless you guys, okay? If it wasn't you guys, I wouldn't be making any video today. I wouldn't be having any energy to post. You guys are just so awesome. Like you guys are amazing. You're amazing people, and you keep coming to my channel to watch my videos. It really means a lot to me. Thank you all so much as you keep supporting my channel. May God continue to support you. I don't know how I'm gonna pay you guys. I can't pay any one of you, but my God will pay you as you keep supporting my channel.